Meet Dr. T. Colin Campbell, a renowned American biochemist who, at 90 years old, is widely recognized for his extensive research on the long-term effects of nutrition on health. He has dedicated his entire career to demonstrating that a health diagnosis does not have to be a definitive sentence, emphasizing that disease prevention is feasible and within everyone's reach. Dr. Campbell is often hailed as the father of plant-based nutrition due to his discoveries and recommendations in this field. When asked about the importance of a plant-based diet for maintaining health and fitness, Dr. Campbell emphasizes that diet is our most powerful weapon against various diseases. He always highlights that it's never too late to adopt healthy eating habits. According to him, a diet rich in vegetables brings significant benefits, such as reducing cholesterol and improving insulin sensitivity, factors that contribute to better metabolic function and decreased insulin resistance. Let's explore in detail Dr. Campbell's 5 fundamental principles of health, the 5 foods he consumes daily, and the 3 foods he recommends avoiding at all costs. 5 fundamental principles of health. 1. Skip the shortcuts. Dr. Colin Campbell explains that vitamin pills, contrary to popular belief, are not a miracle solution. He compares the consumption of whole foods to getting a complete package of nutrients, while supplements represent only a small and often ineffective part of that package. Relying exclusively on pills can deprive us of the full benefits of a balanced diet. He emphasizes that the focus should be on the overall diet and whole foods, not just isolated nutrients. Campbell also mentions that he does not recommend multivitamins for general health, considering them a waste of money. Scientific authorities generally share this view, highlighting the importance of plant-based foods in promoting health. 2. Plant-based nutrition. Dr. Colin firmly believes that a whole food, plant-based diet is crucial for comprehensive health improvement. He highlights that plant foods have unique nutritional value that animal foods cannot match. Rich in antioxidants and fiber, vegetables do not contain harmful components like cholesterol. For him, this dietary approach offers a universal key to improving health in all areas of the body. By analyzing research on nutrition and diseases worldwide, Campbell discovered that diets rich in plants and unprocessed foods are consistently associated with better health outcomes. 3. You are in control. Dr. Campbell emphasizes that while our genes carry predispositions to various diseases, our diet can influence which genes are activated and which remain inactive. By adopting a healthy diet, we can keep harmful genes inactive and allow beneficial genes to function properly. For example, making healthy food choices helps our body defend against damage caused by chemicals linked to cancer. 4. Your drink should be water. During the transition to a plant-based diet, common issues like constipation and stomach discomfort can arise. Dr. Colin frequently mentions that water is the ideal drink to accompany this diet. No special type of water is necessary. Treated, distilled, boiled, or filtered water is sufficient. The essential thing is to stay hydrated in a simple and effective way. 5. Everything is connected. Dr. Colin Campbell believes that eating well benefits not only our individual health but also the planet as a whole. By opting for whole, plant-based foods, we make choices that favor our bodies, minds, communities, and the environment. He highlights the importance of understanding the deep connection between our food choices, our overall well-being, and the environmental impact. 5 foods consumed daily by Dr. Campbell. 1. Whole grains. Dr. Campbell is a strong advocate of a diet based on whole foods, emphasizing that whole grains are essential and should be at the top of the list of healthy foods. He recommends including a variety of whole grains such as brown rice, oats, quinoa, barley, rye, 100% whole grain pasta, whole grain cereals, lentils, and bread in the daily routine, especially for breakfast. In his family, breakfast often includes oats or dry cereals, and sometimes they opt for whole grain pancakes with fruit puree and a bit of maple syrup without adding oil. 2. Legumes. Beans, lentils, and peas are excellent sources of protein and fiber, making them highly satisfying food options. Dr. Campbell clarifies that plants provide all the necessary protein, debunking the idea that we need animal proteins for a balanced diet. 3. Fruits. Fresh and frozen fruits are emphasized by Dr. Campbell as essential for a healthy diet. Rich in antioxidants, fruits help protect the body's cells from damage caused by free radicals, which can contribute to aging and various diseases. He recommends consuming a variety of fruits to obtain a wide range of nutrients and health benefits. 4. Green leafy vegetables. Cruciferous vegetables like kale and broccoli are highlighted for their calcium and protein content, making them excellent choices for obtaining important nutrients without relying on animal sources. These vegetables are rich in essential nutrients and offer numerous health benefits, contributing to a balanced, plant-based diet. 5. Nuts and seeds. Nuts are powerful foods packed with antioxidants, fiber, and beneficial phytochemicals. While it's easy to overconsume them, when eaten in moderation, nuts are healthy and considered whole foods. Dr. Campbell emphasizes that these foods should be consumed in moderation to avoid excess calories. 3 foods to avoid at all costs. 1. Red meat. Dr. Campbell is strongly against the consumption of animal protein, especially red meat. Research shows a link between animal protein consumption and cancer, particularly red and processed meats, which are carcinogenic. He emphasizes that a plant-based diet provides all the essential amino acids, eliminating the need for animal protein. 2. Dairy products. The casein protein found in cow's milk is seen by Dr. Campbell as a potential carcinogen. He recommends eliminating dairy products from the diet to prevent cancer and other diseases. He highlights that plant foods provide the necessary calcium, along with many other important nutrients, without the risks associated with dairy. 3. Fish. Dr. Campbell avoids fish due to contamination risks and the lack of necessity for animal proteins. He argues that we can obtain vitamin D more effectively through sun exposure and that omega-3 supplements are not as beneficial as believed. Additionally, many fish can contain environmental chemicals and bacterial contaminants, making them a less healthy option. If you enjoyed this video, leave your like and subscribe to the channel to receive our new videos.